in this question, we're given a proof, but there's some mistakes in the proof. We have to correct them. So this can be really challenging. We're going to have to read carefully and kind of find out where things went sideways. So we're given this information. QP is perpendicular to QR. So QP is perpendicular to QR, and I'm going to draw this in here. Based on that, we can say PQR is 90 degrees. PQR is 90 degrees. So that's using this statement. And I don't know, you can write this. This is true. Lines that are perpendicular meet at right angles. QR is perpendicular to RS. So QR and RS. So this is a 90 degree angle. So QRS is equal to 90 degrees. Lines that are perpendicular meet at right angles. So based on the information that we're given in the question, both these two statements are true. And I believe that we are able to justify based on that. So I think we're good to go with that. Here's where the problem is. So it's saying that these two lines are parallel, QP, and RS. And the rationale is since the interior angles on the same side of a transversal are equal, QP and RS are parallel. But that's not actually true. That's not, in fact, this is a special case that if you had this situation, this is what it would have to look like. So for example, if this was a 30 degree angle and this was a 30 degree angle, I think you would agree, if this is my transversal, the lines are not going to be parallel to each other. What we said is that since the interior angles on the same side of a transversal are supplementary, that's what needs to be true. So you can even see with this example, if they were equal to each other, this is a special case because they happen to be equal, but they are also supplementary. So what you would say is, since the interior angles on the same side of a transversal, so here is my transversal, and we've got this here, and we've got this here, are supplementary, then QP and RS are parallel. So we can now prove that this is true, but using a different argument. We'd say they're supplementary, so they add to 180 degrees. We're given that QR, so the rest of the proof is fine, that QR is parallel to PS. It has two pairs of parallel sides, so we're good to go. So this was the key, the crux right here. It's a special case. If they're both 90 degrees, then you would say, oh, they're equal to each other. That's why these lines are parallel. But no, because if they are equal for any other angle different from 90 degrees, then they're either going to go apart from each other or come closer together. This is a special case. What we should have said is that those two angles are supplementary, that they add to 180.